when I was in my early 20s, my college years, I had a long-term boyfriend during that time. And, you know, my body, my choice. I was, my future, my education was a priority. So things came to pass, and then things did not come to pass. And one thing I always told myself was, it's just not the right time, but when the right, you know, when it's my time, I'll have a family. So that was my choice. And at some point, my daughter, I was going through old photos, and at one point there was a photo of my ex, and she was like, "Oh, daddy." And I was like, that man is not your father, and you know that, you know. And I was like, that's so weird, and it freaked me out. And then another period of time later, I'm going through pictures, and she saw a photo of his mother, and she said, "That's grandma." And she knows her grandmother. She has never seen that woman before. And I was just like, oh, I was like, you're on the wrong timeline. That was last time.
You're on the wrong timeline. You're on the multiverse.
Yes,
oh my
and I was
God.
just like, how are you having, like, how 2 times? And you don't know these people. I've never, you know, she was maybe like 3 years old when she said this.
Do you believe in, like, reincarnation?
Yeah. So that did it for me. I was like, okay, this is too much, because no way. You see photos of so many older people of our family, and you know who my mother is, you know who your dad's mother is. So why are you calling this person grandma? Why are you calling that person? And it only happened those 2 times. Only, and never ever again.
And was it her first time seeing those
First
images?
time.
Oh, wow.
First time.
Yeah.
One time.
Okay.
I was just going through boxes, organizing, and 2 different times.
It's just like instinct.
Yeah. Immediately, she just said, yeah, and it's just like, it's just as if it was just fact, and that did it for me. I was like, oh yeah, so this is the same little. You just hopped on over.
Oh my God.
She was determined.
She's like, I'm not gonna be my mom.
You're my mom.
Look. Speaking of determination, me and her dad, we were infertile. So she is a 1% chancer. Like
she was like, I'm gonna exist.
We had 0% chance of conceiving, and then we started on medication, and we were bumped up to 1%.
Wow.
1%. And we were gonna go through. Probably we're preparing to go through IVF, and she was like, "Nope, I'm here." And we're like, "Oh my God!"
Like, "What's up?"
I was like, "You saved us a lot of money."
She saw the 1%. She's like, all I need. Let's go.
All I need. That's all I need. I'm present.
Hello.
I've been present.
I've just been waiting for your body to cooperate.
That's such a that's so sweet.
That was a wild one. So I'll share that story with her when she's older. Like, I'll let her know. Hey,
Nora's right now. She's like, you said what?
But yeah, so that I'll never forget my whole life. Like, now that sealed the deal for me. I feel like people will always say they believe in things and their reasons. Like my mother, she's like, I saw my grandma clear as day. That's far. I believe in the afterlife. Me, that was my situation. Therefore, I believe in reincarnation. That was it for me. So none can tell me otherwise after that.